take them home and clear coat them.
Peace, Bill. I'm Jeannie. We're two do-it-yourselfers who met on a sailboat in 1988. 3 houses and 4 boats later, we're refitting our 1998 Seahorse Oceaneer 55-foot steel trawler, Blue Sky. Welcome to our journey.
So Bill has gotten set up in here for air spraying all the cabinet drawers. Here's his air spray gun. Compressors out in the hallway. Oh, that's not a compressor. That's Toby. There's a compressor. And our muraled hallway was like this when we bought it. Trying to decide whether we're going to paint over it.
Comment if we should paint over it.
Yeah. Should we paint over this muraled hallway? It's just the hallway downstairs. This is the middle bedroom.
No, paint room.
Yeah, well, we can turn any room of a house into a workroom.
Gonna have fun painting.
And we're painting with water-based polyurethane.
Satin finish. That one's ready. See the crud in this paint? Why do you strain, especially when it's old? That would all jam the gun. Pressure pot. Air is bled off of this, collapses the bag and squishes the bag. That's why these bags are flexible, and squishes it up into the gun.
Bill sprayed the backs, the outer edges of all of these. Now he's going to spray the front and the insides. One down, 14 to go. Good morning. We are sanding the first coat of polyurethane on all the drawers.
Viscosity testing on the paint. Get it to the point where it flows correctly. Still just a tiny too thick.
Second coat of polyurethane.
We got the finished drawers back. We've already installed the island drawers and the forward settee, and now we're working on the rest of them. Wish the entire cabinet process went this quick. Those cabinets we're sticking these in were built 2021, 2022 maybe. Last one of the string. And that's it for drawers so far. I think that's 17 drawers, something around that number. And then we got 2 more for there, and 2 more for there, and 1 or 2 there, and 3 or 4 over there. And then we got about 12 more down below. We'll all go in the foyer. Things to look forward to later. Okay, so we got the ramp started. It of course needs to be leveled out and tweaked. We also trimmed those guys down. Anyway, that's the fun for now. Later.
Here's what we accomplished today. Ready for boards. In fact, we cut the first board for this edge of the ramp. I don't know what the slope is, but it goes down about 3 inches so that it's level with that concrete pad. And then I cut pieces for the picture frame back here. They're not installed, they're just laid in. So that's it for this weekend. We thought we were going to finish it all this weekend, the whole patio, even the boards that go along the side, but no. But that's not the only thing we did. We have also been cutting cabinets and drawers. I put all the stuff up, well, not all the stuff, most of the stuff up that was taken out of the drawer spaces. So most of the drawers are full now. I did give him a drawer. He's got like 3 drawers over here so far. That's his drawer. That's his drawer. Let's see. Oh, look, he's got a 3rd drawer. What's in the 4th drawer? I guess that's both of ours. He's got another drawer for more camera stuff and tools. Oh, paper towel. Life preservers. And then over here, I don't think I changed anything in those. It feels much better in here.